Hey guys, so in a recent comment, I got a request from a subscriber. She wanted to know if we can add interaction uh, on this overlay. So let us see how we can do that. First of all, what I'll do is create a frame. This is going to be my slide in, okay? Like as you know, we have an option called share screen. So what happens, or whiteboard. So what happens when a person clicks on it? Uh, a list of options just pops in from the bottom. That is called sliding. So what happens? How I am going to achieve that? First, I'll add this frame, the sliding, inside our main frame. That is the phone. I'll place it in the center and I'll move it down using my keyboard's downward arrow key. Okay. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do is just duplicate the screen and click on, you can click on it from the layers panel as well. Select that same sliding and this time click on this align but bottom option so that it appears on screen and it stays connected to the bottom. We are doing this so that it comes from the bottom and you need to have the same name. Like here we have frame 88 and here also we have frame 88. You can rename it as sliding, but it should have the same name or else the smart animate won't work. Okay. And then what you can do is simply select this icon which you are going to click and add a prototype. Connect it with the duplicated screen like this one. On click, smart animate. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Let's play the prototype. Now you can see when I'm clicking on share screen, the sliding is coming from the bot. So this way you can achieve an interaction within overlay. Thank you.